Fear? Not your boss. Scared to speak? Enough. English isn't about perfect, it's about trying. Every mistake, a step up. I've stumbled. We all do. But fear won't win. You will. Own your voice. Now. First step. Face it. What's stopping you? Fear of looking silly? Fear of mistakes? See it, then crush it. Write it down. I fear people will laugh. So what? Laugh with them. Mistakes build masters. Don't let fear steal your words. Speak. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. My name is Alex. Today, we talk about a big topic, how to overcome the fear of speaking English. Many people feel scared when they speak English. Do you feel this way? Don't worry, you are not alone. I am here to help you. This podcast is for beginners, so I use simple words. Let's start. First, I want to say something important. Fear is normal. Everyone feels fear sometimes. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you think, oh no, my English is not good. Maybe you are afraid of mistakes. That's okay. I feel fear too sometimes, but we can learn to be brave. Today, I give you easy ideas to help you speak English without fear. Let's begin with the first idea. Idea number 1, understand your fear. What is fear? Fear is when you feel nervous or worried. For example, you want to speak English, but you think, what if people laugh at me? Or maybe you think, what if I say the wrong word? This is fear talking to you. But here is a secret. Fear is not your boss. You are the boss. So how do you understand your fear? Ask yourself questions. Sit down with a pencil and paper. Write these questions. Why am I scared? What do I think will happen? Maybe you write, I am scared because I don't know many words. Or maybe, I think people will not understand me. When you write your fear, you see it. It's not so big anymore. It's just words on paper. This is the first step. Understand your fear. Now, let's go to idea number 2. Start small. You don't need to speak perfect English today. No one speaks perfect English all the time, not even me. Start with easy things. For example, say hello to someone in English. Just one word. Hello? See? That's not hard. Then try 2 words. Good morning? Little by little, you feel better. I have a story for you. My friend Maria was very shy. She didn't want to speak English. She said, Alex, I can't. My English is bad. I told her, Maria, try one word. Say yes in English. She said, yes. I smiled and said, good job. The next day she said, yes, please. Small steps. Now, Maria talks more. She is not perfect, but she is happy. You can do this too. Start small. Idea number 3, practice every day. Practice makes you strong. Think about this. When you learn to ride a bicycle, you fall sometimes. But you try again. Then one day, you ride the bicycle with no problem. Speaking English is the same. You need practice. How do you practice? Easy. Talk to yourself. Yes, you hear me right. Talk to yourself in English. Look in the mirror and say, hello, my name is Jenny. I am a good person. Or say, today is a nice day. No one hears you, so no fear. You can also sing English songs. Songs are fun, and they help you practice words. Try it. Another way to practice is with a friend. Find someone who wants to learn English too. Say, let's talk in English for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is not long. You can say simple things like, I like coffee, or the sky is blue. Mistakes are okay. Laugh about them. Practice every day makes your fear smaller. Now, idea number 4. Make mistakes and smile. Mistakes are your friends. Yes, really. When you make a mistake, you learn. I make mistakes too. One time I wanted to say, I like your shirt. But I said, I like your ship. My friend laughed and said, I don't have a ship. We laughed together. It was funny. Mistakes are not bad. They are a part of learning. So, when you make a mistake, don't say, oh no, I'm so bad at English. Say, oops. That's funny. I will try again. For example, if you say cat instead of hat, smile and say, oh, I mean hat. People don't get angry. They like when you try. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes help you grow. Idea number 5, listen a lot. Listening helps you speak. When you listen to English, your brain learns. You hear words, you hear sentences, you start to understand. Then when you speak, the words come to you easier. Where can you listen? You can listen to this podcast. Hello, I'm here for you. You can also watch cartoons in English. Cartoons are fun and easy. Or listen to slow songs in English. Songs like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star are good for beginners. Repeat the words you hear. Listening makes you feel ready to speak. Let me tell you something. When I was a beginner, I listened to English radio. I didn't understand everything, but I heard, hello, goodbye, thank you. I said those words to myself. Slowly, I felt brave. Listening is like food for your English. Eat it every day. Idea number 6, think positive. Your brain listens to you. If you say, I can't speak English, your brain says, okay, you can't. But if you say, I can learn English, your brain says, yes, let's do it. Positive words help you. Try this. Every morning say, I am good at learning English, I am brave, I can speak. Say it 3 times. I am good at learning English, I am brave, I can speak. Feel it in your heart. When you think positive, fear runs away. I have a friend, Sam. Sam always said, my English is terrible. He was scared to talk. I told him, Sam, say something nice about your English. He said, okay, I know some words. The next day he said, I can say hello. Little by little, Sam changed. Now he talks more. Positive thinking works. Idea number 7, use your body. What? Yes, your body helps you speak. When you feel scared, your body feels tight. Your hands shake. Your voice is small. But you can change this. Stand tall. Take a big breath. Smile. When you smile, you feel happy. When you feel happy, speaking is easier. Try this now. Stand up. Put your shoulders back. Say, I am strong. Loud. I am strong. Feel it. Your body helps your voice. When you talk to someone in English, stand tall and smile. They see you are confident. Even if you feel a little scared, your body tricks your brain. You feel better. Idea number 8. Find a safe place. A safe place is where you can speak English and not feel judged. Maybe it's with a kind teacher. Maybe it's with a friend who smiles and says, good job. Maybe it's online with other learners. A safe place helps you relax. For example, join an English club. Many cities have free clubs for learners. People there are nice. They want to learn too. Or talk to your pet. My dog Max listens to me. I say, Max, you are a good dog, in English. Max wags his tail. He doesn't care if I make mistakes. Find your safe place. Idea number 9, set small goals. Goals are like little dreams. Don't say, I will speak perfect English tomorrow. That's too big. Say, today I will say 5 English words. Or, this week I will talk to 1 person in English. Small goals feel good when you finish them. Write your goal. For example, Monday, say hello to my neighbor. Then do it. When you finish, say, yes, I did it. Small goals make you proud. Pride makes fear go away. Last idea, number 10, Be patient. Learning English takes time. You are like a flower. A flower doesn't grow in one day. It needs sun, water, and time. You need practice, listening, and time. Don't rush. Say to yourself, I am learning. I am okay. I remember when I started English. I wanted to be fast. I said, why am I slow? But my teacher said, Alex, be patient. You are doing well. She was right. Slowly, I got better. Now, I talk to you in English. You will get better too. Be patient. Okay, let's review the 10 ideas. 1. Understand your fear. 2. Start small. 3. Practice every day. 4. Make mistakes and smile. 5. Listen a lot. 6. Think positive. 7. Use your body. 8. Find a safe place. 9. Set small goals. 10. Be patient. These ideas are your friends. They help you beat fear. Before I go, I want to say, you are amazing. Yes, you. You are listening to this podcast. You want to learn. That is brave. Fear is loud sometimes, but you are stronger. Every time you try, you win. Every word you say is a victory. Thank you for listening. This is Alex, your podcast host. Practice one English word today. Maybe hello, maybe goodbye. You can do it. See you next time. Bye-bye.